Hello guys, welcome back to TechEasy YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you top 5 me products which are useful in your daily life. Without wasting any time, let's move to the first product, guys. And guys, moving on to the first product, we get to see a MI motion activated night light 2, which helps in viewing the objects at the night. It acts as a bed light and it is quite automatic, which switch on its light by its own. It has 2 levels of brightness by which you can view more area, and it supports 120 degree of angle by which if it detects any motion in 120 degree, the light get activated automatically on its own. And guys, moving on to the price of this product, it is available for $5.99 on mi.in, and it is available on Flipkart as well as on Amazon. I'll provide the links in the description so that you can purchase this product if you are interested to buy. Moving on to this second product, we get to see MI automatic soap dispenser, which is basically a soap dispenser in which we just need to fill the soap solution in the tank below, and it dispenses the soap automatically through to your hands. It just senses when you keep your hands near the sensor and dispenses the required amount of soap in your hands in less than 0.25 seconds, which is pretty much useful, and it keeps our hand clean also. And talking about price of this product, it is available for $9.99 on Amazon.in as well as on mi.com, and I will provide the link in the description so that if you are interested you can purchase this product. On moving on to the third product, we get to see MI portable electric air compressor, which is a portable air compressor by which you can pump your tires of a car and bicycle. It is capable of pumping of air up to 45 psi, and it is capable of pumping into car tires of 5 car tires with a single charge, and bicycle of 8 tires with a single charge. And it has a 18,900 mAh powered battery by which it can be powered, and it has a small display which displays the psi of the tire, and it takes about 6 minutes to fill a car tire, and it takes about 3 minutes to fill a bicycle tire. This is all about the MI portable electric air compressor. It can be purchased from mi.com. And talking about the price of this product, it is available for 2,499 rupees on Amazon and as well as on mi.com. I'll provide the link in the description so that you can purchase from the link given below. Moving on to the fourth product, we get to see MI water TDS tester, which monitors your water quality. It monitors the number of particles present in the water which you consume. It is nothing but the ppm, parts per million. It shows the number of parts present in the water. It is nothing but the impurities. If the impurities or ppm is too less, then it is safe for drinking. If ppm is too more, then it is not safe for drinking. The device is IPX waterproof resistant, and it functions from 0 to 80 degrees Celsius. It has 2 lithium ion batteries, and it is a pretty accurate device by which you can measure the quality of the water and check if it is safe or not for drinking. So this is all about this device. And talking about the price of this product, it is available for $3.99 on mi.com as well as on Amazon.in, and I'll mention the link in the description so that you can check out this product. Moving on to our fifth product, which is nothing but MI electric toothbrush T100, which is nothing but an electric toothbrush which has a rechargeable battery of 350 mAh, and it works up to 30 days by a normal usage, and it comes with bristles which can be replaced after use, and it has many other features like waterproofing, and it produces very much low noise, and it has a 360 degree dimensional cleaning, and it has a motor of 18,000 rpm which vibrates at high frequency. And this is all pretty much of this device, and it is available on mi.com as well as on amazon.in for 699 rupees. I'll mention the link in the description so that you can check out this product. And guys, that's it in this video guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe it, and thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next one.